Okay, hi, we're back.
Guys,
Am I recording?
together,
Yes, I am.
yes. That's it.
So today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for the others to do whatever they're doing, and then they're gonna join us.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I skipped the intro of who's with us. So today we have. I'll go into participants. Today we have Abdul, who is in
Okay.
quarantine in his room, zooming with us. We have Charlize. Oh yeah, Abdul is Banterarian Watermelon Shark. Charlize is I'm gonna speak quieter so you can hear them.
If we die,
Okay, so Charlize is Molly and Jimmy. I feel like Ruby is Daisy and Disco. Go check her out on TikTok. Dimmy has his video and he's on mute.
let's go.
Off. He's Void and Kiko Eat Nutmans. And Sammy is Sammy Star Morocco 1. So,
Timmy.
okay, Sammy. I don't.
Timmy, unmute yourself, for Christ's sake.
Well, I don't. Do you think he's actually speaking truly that he has technical issues?
Anybody hear that? No?
Yes, we can hear that.
Just around Ruby.
Okay.
Please, just.
Yay, I got a mini pirate ship.
Is the.
Sammy, are you gonna add to the boat?
Okay.
Oh, I don't have enough for that.
Unmute.
Oh, you're kidding me. Guys, are
Seriously driving.
you gonna come in here? No? Okay. Sammy, are you gonna build your bit of the boat?
Why do you always have to be taking over my boat? That was my boat. Me and Abdul's boat.
Sammy, are you gonna be building? Are you gonna be adding to the boat, Sammy?
Extra turn. I put my iPad here.
I gotta do it.
You know what? This will be like. I'm just gonna launch the boat. This is good enough for now. Launch? Yes. I would like to launch it.
Not even on the ship.
Okay, Sammy left the meeting.
Turning my camera off. My position is on.
Okay, I know this is like a new boat. This is a new boat and a new boat.
We can just wind it.
Guys, I think I see you. I think I see the others.
Battery.
Fine, I'm on mute.
This is called the most magnificent boat ever. It's so big and so protected. It has even a cannon at the top.
I'm gonna recall Sammy just in case it was an internet glitch. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
Build my chair.
But you can change this stuff on the fly.
Good.
I'll let you steer like that.
See you guys. Can you call me after Kiki?
When do we call you, Sammy?
6 after dinner. 6 after dinner.
Okay. Yeah, I lost. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.